Hello guys, my name is Rapid Reload and today we are gonna play in a live battle in the tier 5 L'Argentina light cruiser in the Pan American light cruiser line. So this is a very good ship. Uh, it's very unique for tier 5 because it has two turrets in the front, one in the back. Usually it's the other way around in tier 5. Something interesting about this ship, it only fires AP. It's the first ship that has this skill, which if you hit the enemy ships enough time, it will activate and it will decrease the reload and increase the accuracy and penetration. I will try to show you guys. This is an interesting battle because the enemy ships are not capturing area B. Let's see. This is very good against cruisers and destroyers, but it's not very good against battleships. Okay, our first target. Let's see, Nicholas. I should be very good against this guy. Let's fire some torpedoes. This is a bot because he has two dots in the front of his name. Yeah, we got him. This is gonna be a very easy battle, I can tell. We'll cap the area B. And then we'll focus on the other flank. Let's see the Alba.
Enemy aircraft incoming! Anti-aircraft gun on full alert.
This is still a bot. Just fire some torpedoes. Maybe it hits, maybe it doesn't.
Enemy heavily damaged. We hit the enemy!
Our skill is ready, so let's activate it.
Enemy ship locked. Enemy aircraft incoming!
Let's try to go after the carrier.
Enemy torpedo spotted! Locked on. Good job!
Nice.
Enemy aircraft incoming! Enemy aircraft incoming! Enemy ship destroyed.
We kill the carrier. And now let's focus on this Go Castle. This is another very good target for my guns. It's a light cruiser with bad armor and I only fire AP. Nice. We have our skill, but it's not activated yet.
Torpedoes!
I knew that was coming because that guy is a torpedo boat. Let's activate it now because he's showing us broadside. As you can see, this is a very good ship. I think it's better than the tier 6 actually.
Torpedoes!
I think I will eat one, yes. No problem. Let's use a heal maybe. Keep shooting. We have to kill this Gokasi now. For this kind of situation, it's very good. I think it's the best tier 5 cruiser in this situation because it's the only one that has 2 turrets in the front.
Nice shot.
And I think we got him. And let's see. No. And now I think we got. Yeah, I think it's ours. No, Leander may got him. Yes, Leander got him. Okay, so now we are just the 2 of us, but we control all 4 capture circles. So as long as we don't die, I think we got this. Let's fire some preventive torpedoes. Or Buglioni. Yes, so this ship is kind of like a Buglioni because, as you can see, he also has 2 gun turrets in the front. But let's not forget, Buglioni is a tier 6 and I'm just a tier 5. Let's see if you can kill him. Also, deactivate the precision saving time and nice, we got him, but he got us also. And it's a win. I was the battle star. So, as you can see, this ship is amazing. I think it's the best tier 5 cruiser in the game. It's amazing. There's nothing more to say. So, please, if you don't have it yet, grind it. It's